Delta Mike Yankee Victor Charlie, ich starte.
Across the globe, companies are racing to revolutionize transportation. Flying cars aren't mainstream yet, but there are some exciting prototypes on the horizon. Imagine the thrill of the LMV 496, a rare flying motorcycle that transitions from street to air with the push of a button. Here are future flying vehicles that will change our world. Number 7. The Fly Ride. The Zapata Fly Ride brings us closer to flying motorcycles. Designed for large bodies of water, it uses an underwater PWC connector kit with a 20-meter hose, funneling water to elevate the vehicle. Reaching speeds of 35 km/h, it only takes 15 minutes to learn and has a parent-held remote for children as young as 6. However, at $11,500, it's significantly more expensive than a regular motorcycle. Before we move on, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon right now, or this spider will crawl on your face while you are sleeping. Number 6. Lazarus LMV 496. The LMV 496 by French engineer Ludovic Lazarus is a flying motorcycle transitioning from street to air with the push of a button. It's powered by 496,000 RPM jet turbines, generating 1,300 horsepower. Despite its stylish design and powerful engine, it can only elevate 1 meter for 10 minutes. Priced at $560,000, only 5 exist, making it a rare and costly marvel. Number 5. EHang 184. For those who enjoy being chauffeured, the EHang 184 is a dream come true. This flying drone transports one passenger without a pilot. After entering the destination, the passenger can relax while the drone, powered by 8 battery-driven propellers, flies at 130 km/h. However, its battery lasts only 23 minutes, limiting its range to 10 miles. At $200,000 to $300,000, it's more expensive than many small helicopters. Number 4. The AeroMobil 4.0. The AeroMobil 4.0, from a Slovakian startup, is a futuristic and functional flying car. It transitions from road to air seamlessly. Its exterior resembles a mini airplane, while the interior boasts a race car-style steering wheel, a touchscreen interface, and weight-dispersing seats. Powered by a 110-horsepower twin engine on the road and a 300-horsepower turbocharged engine in the air, it reaches 360 km/h and has a range of 750 km. With only 500 being produced, it costs between $1.3 to $1.6 million. Number 3. Volocopter, the Velocity. The Velocity, crafted by the German company. Volocopter is set to become the first commercially licensed aircraft. This futuristic helicopter, powered electrically, uses a large circle to drive 18 small rotors with 9 rechargeable batteries.
Delta Mike Yankee Victor Charlie, ich starte.
Its rotor noise is 5 times softer than the quietest helicopters. However, it carries just 2 passengers, has a flight time of 30 minutes, and a range of 17 miles. Improvements are needed for it to become a mainstream flying vehicle. Number 2. S3 2019 Hoverbike. The S3 2019 Hoverbike from California-based HoverSurf features a trendy monocoque frame and carbon fiber technology. Battery-powered, it flies for 40 minutes and recharges in 2.5 hours. It uses 4 propellers to generate 364 kilos of thrust and has 3 safety features. Despite a max speed of 96 km/h, it's extremely safe. Used by the Dubai police, it's available for $150,000 if you pass HoverSurf's screening. Number 1. The Terrafugia TF2. The Terrafugia TF2, though still a concept, aims to make air and ground travel the norm for commutes and cargo. With 8 electric motors, it will take off like a helicopter, fly like an airplane, and drive like a car. Initially powered by a turbine generator, the goal is to transition to batteries. It promises a maximum speed of 230 km/h and a range of 300 kilometers. Substantial investment is needed to bring this vision to life. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming amazing videos.